Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you the best Shopify apps for dropshipping beginners. Let's get started. So what you want to do is you need to head over in here on the apps right here. Just click on that and then searching here for dropshipping. So once you have searching here for dropshipping, you should be able to see some options, but let's just click on the Shopify dropshipping in Shopify App Store. That way, we should be able to see a lot of apps that we can choose from. So in here, we can see a lot on dropshipping options, but what I can recommend with the most is two apps. First app is Dsers, and the second app is CJ Dropshipping right here. As you can see, Dsers has 5 stars with 23,000 reviews, while CJ has 4.9 star with 6,900 reviews. So just click on them, and then just head over and install the app. So as you can see, I already installed the CJ Dropshipping. So I can just head over and open the app right here. Now, once you're in there, you just need to log in or sign up to their CJ dropshipping platform. So for me, I already signed up, so you just need to do so right there. So let's just wait for this. And in here, you can see in here some version updates, the warehouse that they have right now. So we can just close this one right here. And in here, you can see some options or categories that you could choose from. So for example, you want to tackle into women's clothing, you can head over and then just choose which ones you want. Like for example, let's choose evening dresses. Now, once you have chosen a category, you should be able to see in here some products that you can choose from to add on your actual Shopify. So for me, I'll choose this wedding gown right here. And then you can just click on this icon right here, this sets list. So click on this icon, and then this will direct it to another page where you can see this full thing right here. So in here, as you can see, this will load again, and we can see in here that they have this. So the store selection, since it's already integrated to the Shopify, and just head over and just click on that. Be sure that you charge tabs. And then the product type, let's head over and you can choose the product type right here. I will put in dress. And that in here, this is the title, the collection. So in here, I'll put this under the collection of dropshipping. So in here, this is my vendor, which is my stores. So I have here the vendor, which is my actual store. So click on this list of no. And that in here, you can also enter in here your store price if you want. So head over and then enter your store price under here. And it should be able to be ready to go. So it is available in the variant pricing. So let's head over and let's actually put this around $300. Click on OK. And then in here, store price is lower than CJ. So make sure that you put is at around the higher so that way you can make profit. So I'll put it at $900 and click on OK. And then from in there, click on confirm, and you can also put in here the recommended listing price that they have. So this is the actual price in the HP, and this will actually what it will look like. So you can also see in here the shipping from which is a China warehouse from in there. So I'll put it at around this much and click on OK and click on list now. And as you can see, listing is in progress. So in here, you can always see the listing status on listing right there, which you can just click on that. But since we're only adding in one product, this will be fast and this will be good as well. So let's just wait for this right here to finish the loading process. While this building, you can also head over and find more products that you can add on your Shopify store. So you can actually head on over and click on this one or then click on this on listing right here. So once it's validated successfully, and view it on our store. So let's head over to my store. Let's head over to my products. And then in here, this will load like this. And when you scroll down, you should be able to save this right in here. So another app that you can choose from is what we call Dsers. So in order to head over to Dsers, let's head back to our search bar. And then from in here, you should be able to see Dsers right here. Now I already installed it, so just install it on yours. Click on Open App. And then from in here, we should be able to see what it looks like. It will redirect you to the Dsers website, wherein you can head over and put it automation order. Yeah. So let's just wait for this right here to finish loading process because on some cases they will ask you for authentication. So in here, you can click on Find Suppliers. And we can just search in here for what you want to add. So for example, we want to add this one. Just click on this icon right here and add this to import this. As you can see, it's been imported. So let's head over to the import list that we have right here. So as you can see, let's scroll down and let's head over it and make sure to refresh this. So as you have refreshed this, it will show you what it looks like. But if you can still see the actual product they have added, then you can just add it back again. So let's head back and add the product if they want to add. For example, this one, click on this add right here. And then as you can see, it's been imported. Click on check right here. And then over here, you should be able to see it. Click on this check box. Click on push to store. And then in here, click on push to stores. And then this will load. And as you can see, one product is being pushed. This will be just quick since there's only one product. As you can see, it's been successfully pushed. So let's head back to our store again and let's refresh it. And then once it's been refreshed, we should be able to see the bell that we have added. So let's just wait for this right here to finish. And once we scroll down, so let's run a scroll, you can see now that the bell has been added right there. So that's all about it. If you have found this video helpful, so please like, below, and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.